Let's bake a cake for the puppy's birthday!
Yes, let's make a cake. Go bring flour. Look at all the colors. It's almost done. It looks amazing. The best cake ever. Gently now. Watch the frosting.
Almost in the trunk. There we go. Safe and sound for the party. Whoa! What was that? Are we okay?
Jeepers, the car is broken.
And look at all that smoke. Now what?
Look at this amazing cake. It looks delicious. Can we eat it now? Let's cut a slice for everyone.
Flight 724, you are clear for takeoff runway 29er. Roger that, 724 taking off.
Wow! Look at all these buttons! This is amazing! Let's go!
Follow me from behind. Hey, stop, pit there, talk the Cayman Pipe.
Why did you get into the airplane without permission?
Because you got into the airplane, you will clean it.
Okay.
Well done! Check this out. We track every plane in the sky right here. Incredible! I've never seen...
Can I eat the apple? No.
I will give you a question. If you answer, I will give you an apple.
Okay. Tell me your question.
You have 2 apples. I take 1. How many are left?
1 apple.
Correct.
Thank you. Ha, 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 ha.
Fox! Ah! Help me!
Help! Somebody help me, please.